Yes, hello everybody. This is Simon Peter, and I will be taking you through another Roy Club informative video uh, that will be able to help you in one way or the other. So for today, I'll be specifically targeting the Mac computer users. Has whatever I'm going to be doing today will be specific to the MacBook operating system users, and we shall probably be doing another video for the Windows users and maybe also for the Linux operating system users. So basically today we are going to be looking at the Roy Club font style and how we can be able to incorporate that style into our designs within probably with our banners, with our editing of photos that we post online, and with probably our posters, anything else that you may be trying to put out in order to promote or create awareness for Roy Club. The Roy Club has a standard. Today is Saturday, February 8th, 2020, and it's currently 10 GMT time. Let's just go straight here. So I've already opened up the Roy Club style, and I've already gone to the form style page, which basically gives us a lot of items that we can be able to use to just brand Roy Club on anything that we need. Down you'll be able to see a lot of source materials, templates that we can be able to do specifics with the Roy Club. Documents, business cards, templates, and everything are just there for it. Need branded t-shirts, there's a template where you can use and just make additional edits here and there. And but our focus for today is on the font style and how we can be able to use it within our computers, because these font styles don't come by default within our laptops or our personal computers. So we're going to see how we can be able to add the Roy Club typography or fonts onto our computer systems. So right now we're just going to open Microsoft Word, and we're just going to see that actually we do not have these fonts within our system. So when I type Gilroy, so because I'm actually typing Gilroy and nothing is coming up. And we also have Bebasus new. So when I come and try to type Bebasus, so originally if you would start typing like the way I would type like new times, it would give a suggestion like new times, or like it just gives suggestions of what is there. So when I type Gilroy, nothing comes up. When you put on the list, there's basically nothing. So these fonts are currently not within the system, and we're going to learn how to get that into our computer system. So we'll close this for now, and we'll come and check on that later when we've already downloaded it. So for the MacBook users, we're going to press key combination, which is Command space to open Spotlight, and then we're going to type the font book. Just press enter, and the font book will open up. So this is where all the different fonts of the system are, and this is where we are going to be able to add our fonts into our system within our Mac computer. So first and foremost, let's go back to the Roy site and download the fonts. Let's click download. The download is going to come in. It's just a very small size of about 2.5. I'm going to click download, and here we go. It's downloading. Very good. So we already have our font. So I'm going to open the Finder. So this is our font. I'm going to extract this. Yes, extract that. All right. So this is already extracted, and we can see the fonts there. So we are going to extract each of these. Just double click to extract Gilroy. So that will be the first we're going to start with. So just leave this open. Let's go back to our font book. So when we come to the font book, there is this plus button. This is for adding fonts onto the system. So we can click that, and then we just navigate to where we downloaded our fonts, which is Roy and Gilroy. So these are all the different Gilroy types which Roy Club has. So what you will do, you'll highlight, you'll select the first and press Shift and the lower down key and select all of them up to down, and then click open. That will import all these fonts onto our system. All right. So we can see the Gilroy has been imported, and all the other types are there. So we can see the Gilroy has been imported. So let's close this. Now we're going to test and find out whether Gilroy has actually been imported. So command space, open up Spotlight. Let's type Word, press enter. Let's see, as Word is opening. Very good. Let's just create a new document. All right, so we're going to just click on the font side, and then we're going to type Gilroy. And yes, as you can see, Gilroy font size is now within our system, and we can be able now to use it within our documents and everything else. So the same can be done for all the other font types, and you can be able to get the Roy Club fonts within your system. So I hope this was really helpful, and in case of any questions, just leave it behind and I will be able to help you. Otherwise, thank you so much for tuning in. If you like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Simon Peter here. Goodbye.